With this illustrative robotic model construction, we simulate an industrial production machine. It includes several examples of mechanisms that we can demonstrate to our students. First example. For the transfer of equal or multiplied rotary motion of the motor shaft through wheels of equal or different diameters, joined by a rubber belt. Second example. To convert circular to linear motion. Third example. To convert linear motion into rotary motion through gears of equal or different diameter. To this simulated industrial production machine, we can also add an automation by using the distance sensor. The machine, therefore, is programmed to stop after 9 repeated movements, while at the same time, on the 5x5 LED matrix of a microbit, the sum value of the reciprocating movements of the mechanism is displayed.